Welcome back to the channel. This is a breaking update on one of the most powerful earthquakes in recent history. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay ahead of real-time global developments. Early Wednesday, an 8.8 magnitude earthquake struck near Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, a city of 165,000 on Russia's far eastern Kamchatka Peninsula. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the quake was shallow, just 19 kilometers deep, and centered about 74 miles. Offshore, witnesses described terrifying scenes. One resident, Yaroslav, 25, said, "It felt like the walls could collapse at any moment." The shaking lasted for 3 minutes straight. The quake triggered tsunami alerts as far as Chile and French Polynesia. Waves between 3 to 5 meters, 10 to 16 feet, were recorded along Kamchatka's coast. Tsunami waves reached Nukuhiva in the Marquesas Islands, where authorities warned of up to 2.5-meter 8-foot waves and expected multiple wave surges throughout the day. Fortunately, as waves began hitting the area, they were smaller than feared, and no major damage was reported. Immediately after the quake, the most active volcano on the Kamchatka Peninsula erupted, adding a new layer of concern as ash clouds threatened Quake is the strongest to strike Kamchatka since 1952. And the region remains on edge as aftershocks and tsunami surges continue. Ir traffic and visibility in the region. While most warnings have been downgraded, the event is a powerful reminder of the volatile nature of Earth's tectonic zones. Alert, especially if you're in or near the Pacific. And remember, preparedness saves lives. For continued updates on this story and other global emergencies, be sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay safe, and we'll catch